Yeah, yeah. Nah, yo, pop it on the block. Yo, nah, yo, yo. The rumor is there I'm popping on the blocks. Leo bling bling, red rosary on my neck. Tatted up, I swear. I represent, ese la H, my man. You already know crazy flow, toxic one, my man. What it do? Where do we go from here? It's that crazy flow, homie, crazy as is. This life, you already know what's up. I'm the toxic one. This life, you already know what's up. I'm the toxic one. All out there, clean as hell. Whipping my man, Lil Bling Bling, red rosary on my tatted neck. Ese la H, I represent. Popping on the blocks, that's what they say. The rumors are Lil Bling Bling, red rosary on my tatted neck. My man, la H, I represent. I'm the crazy one, toxic as well. You already know my man, 247 crazy flow for my city, HP, that gang, Lil Bling Bling, red rosary on my tatted neck. And so you know, like I represent. Popping on the blocks. The rumors are Lil Bling Bling, red rosary on my tatted neck. I said, La I can represent, that's what's up. It's a crazy flow, I'm the toxic one. What up? You already knew. All up in the mix now. What it do? Crazy me, toxic one. And you already know what's up. All out there clean as hell, wild as well. Well, here it goes one more time. Lil Bling Bling, red rosary on my tatted neck. I said, La H, yo, I represent my man. Crazy flow 247, toxic one. Popping on the blocks, the rumors up. Popping on the blocks, Lil Bling Bling, red rosary on my tatted neck, my man. Until I can represent crazy me, toxic one. You already know what's up. Popping on the blocks. Yeah. Crazy me, toxic one.